This is a Commodore 64 styled mouse, 3D printed for modern computers. I was testing out Bambu Labs' new SuperTack Build Plate, and even these tall parts stuck great with no glue stick needed. It has a nice soft textured surface that they say is durable enough to hold up for long-lasting performance. I'm transferring the circuit here from their kit mouse into the new body. The build plate is only designed for PLA and PETG, but that's most of my printing anyways, and it will significantly speed up PLA printing by only needing to heat to 45 degrees Celsius. This is a total winner when it comes to style, but gets a 0 when it comes to ergonomics. STL link in description if you want to relive the past and print one out for yourself. This build plate is going to be my easy go-to in the future instead of glue stick.